customizing camera settings on an LG phone.
Text, LG. A smartphone home screen.
Customizing the camera settings on your LG phone is simple and quick.
Opens the camera app with a camera icon at the bottom center.
To see what options are available, first open the camera app. Then tap on the cog/gear icon at the top left.
A menu of options appears.
This is Settings. Review the settings available and modify them to your desired choices. Note that options will vary based on phone model and software version.
Toggles tracking focus on third down under useful features. Clicks a camera icon among two icons at the bottom to bring up a photo size selection pop-up with a list of sizes available.
Other settings are save options, which include photo size, which is the image resolution, Google Lens suggestions, and HDR on or off. Some of the remaining options you may see are live photo, which saves a short video with the still image, cheese shutter, tracking focus, location tagging, grid, and add signature for watermarking.
Clicks the gear icon at the top left to return to the camera screen.
Once you have customized the camera settings to suit your needs, you can exit the settings menu and begin taking pictures.
The LG logo of a letter L and G forming a winking face. LG. Life's good.
Thank you for choosing LG. We hope you enjoy your phone. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.
Text, lg.com/us/support. Twitter, Facebook, Messenger, email, and phone icons appear. This video is provided solely for informational and instructional purposes. This video is not intended to replace the product's owner's manual. For complete information on product use, setup, or assembly, you should consult the owner's manual and any other documents provided with the product. The information contained in this video may contain inaccuracies or typographic errors and is subject to change without notice. LG is not responsible for any direct or indirect damages or injuries that might occur while you are using or relying upon the information provided in this video. Depending upon its model, your product may differ in appearance from the product shown in the video. Also note that for instructional purposes, the video may depict the device operating faster than in reality. For any further questions concerning your product, please contact LG.com or LG Customer Information Center. This video shall not be copied, distributed, or reproduced, in whole or in part without the prior written authorization of LG Electronics. Copyright 2021 LG Electronics. All rights reserved. LG is a trademark of LG Electronics Company Limited. Any other company names, product names, and marks are the property of their respective owners.